Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make Moosakhan. Moosakhan is a traditional Palestinian meal. It's basically from chicken, onions and lot of olive oil. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you and let's cooking. And to prepare it, let's first see our ingredients. First, of course, the chicken. I have here 8 chicken drums. It's around 1.5 kg. I'm gonna do it with the chicken drums because it tastes better, but if you have any part of the chicken you can use it in this meal. Around 2 kilos of chopped onions, 2 cups of olive oil, 3 chopped garlic cloves. We also have half spoon of 7 spices or mixed spices, small spoon of chicken spices, 1 spoon of salt, a little bit of cumin. We also gonna need a juice of 2 lemon, 200 grams of sumac, 1 spoon of white vinegar, and finally some pine seed to decorate our dish in the end. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our Moosakhan. First we're gonna do is marinate our chicken. With a knife, make some holes on it. Then add the chopped garlic, our spices with the salt, the lemon juice, a spoon of white vinegar, and finally a little bit of olive oil. Mix all together. Then cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, first add 2 spoons of salt on the onions. Mix them together, then put it on the oven on 200 degrees from below for around 15 minutes. We do this step to get rid of the water from inside the onions. After 15 minutes, take it out and drain it like you see in the video. After you drain it, put it back on the tray. Then add the sumac, and the olive oil. Mix all together and then put the chicken. Add a little bit of sumac over the chicken. Cover the tray with a foil. Make some holes on it. And put it on the oven. In a temperature of 200 degrees from below. Put the tray on the middle shelf and leave it there for around 1 hour. But after half an hour, uncover the tray. After 1 hour, take the tray out, add the pine seeds that we have over it, and return it back to the oven for 10 more minutes. And don't forget to turn the heat from the top to roast the chicken and the pine seeds. And this is the final look of our Moosakhan. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.